Bistro is famous for its chocolate souffle, and when my dad, Burt Wolf, overheard I was cooking souffle, he wanted in. But first, here's a little background on soufflés. The earliest recipe for a soufflé dates to 1741, but they became famous in the early 1800s when a recipe appeared in a cookbook by the famous French chef, Marie-Antoine Carême.
So first of all, we make our pastry cream. We add 2 ounces of butter and 2 ounces of flour.
Is that called a roux?
It is called a roux. It's going to be a blonde roux.
So you're gonna let that condense down and turn into a paste?
Yeah, and we're basically trying to cook out the flour. We add our milk.
And what are you using, just whole milk there?
Whole milk, yeah.
How many you think you could eat in one sitting?
Talking to me?
So now,
Oh yeah, here we go.
turn down the heat. And now I add my egg yolks and my sugar. This is basically pastry cream now. So now I'm gonna put this just to chill off a little bit. So now we do our egg whites, so a little bit of cornstarch, and now some confectioner sugar. And in the meantime, we'll just coat our souffle mold. So it's just unsalted butter, and then we make sure it goes all the way up to the top, so that helps the souffle rise, otherwise it will stick. And then we add sugar.
Coming up.
So we get our pastry cream, and we add our cocoa powder.
So here we go, chocolate now.
All the air is now whipped in.
Yeah. So they say you should be able to turn it upside down.
Wow. That's serious.
First
Look
of all,
at that.
you take a spoon. You have to fold it in, but at the first spoonful, you don't fold it in.
Ah,
You have to aerate it a little
Okay,
bit.
I see. Interesting. And then you put more in and fold it
Fold
over.
it over.
Ah.
The mold. So now we place this in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes.
While it's cooking, chef mixes 40% heavy cream and 70% dark chocolate to make the sauce.
We just whisk this together, and that's basically our chocolate sauce. And then we also serve a little bit of whipped cream, if you'd like to do it.
All right, I'm being put to work already. I'm not complaining. I get the get the reward.
So then we place this in our little ramekin, garnish it with a little bit of mint. And then
Very
here we
pretty.
have our chocolate sauce.
I think I might just drink that as hot chocolate. Wow. It's double the size. That's some serious souffle. Oh, of course,
Sugar.
powdered sugar.
So we open it here, pour the chocolate sauce inside,
That, like a little soup,
a spoonful of whipped cream,
of course.
and then enjoy.
Let's go.
Choose your weapons.
Choose this one. Let's go for it.
It's very hot.
Everyone for themselves.
Oh, I hate that. Just the way my mother never made it.
That is fabulous, chef. It's not overpowering. The chocolate comes in beautifully. It's not overly sweet.